Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss trending photo moving status video editing tutorial. Watch the full video on how you can create a video like this with just one photo. Open software. The software link will be given in the first comment of the video. There are many effects you can select from, but I will show you one. Click this effect. Then click replace photo plus icon. Select any image. Click save. You can change the music if you want. Click make. Close these ads. Our video is ready. Thanks for watching.